introducing the latest innovation that will lead you to a new level of working pleasure. Like the comfort from a relaxing weekend, this custom-developed furniture brings the vacation to you at work. Anywhere that may be. Redefine the vision of the workplace. Or elevate the workplace to something else entirely. Aesthetic essentials are, again, ushering us into a new era of design. With comfort and versatility at the core. And with the environment in mind, we manufacture our products in an eco-friendly way. Crafting our furniture with an entirely new range of finishes, we utilize advanced machinery to help ensure perfection. Sunon offers more than just office furniture. We offer a new lifestyle. Truly, we are an uncompromising partner at work and at home. Our global suppliers offer more options than you can imagine. Sunon. Sheer working pleasure.